interesting moment here. Okay, we're getting an odd pairing or odd mashup. I'm not gonna lie. So we're getting Bnxn, we're getting Kizz Danie, we're getting Seyi Vibez, all produced by a SARS on the beat. Okay, SARS produced this. This is cool, but bro, with with a track with a lineup like this, bro, high expectations, very high. The bar is all the way through the roof for Bnxn. But yeah, man, Bnxn is in a place where obviously he's doing his bits here and there, always putting out material. He's always putting out material, constantly. So now that a lot of the future allegations are still reminiscent and still floating over him, this is one of those cases whereas he's accompanied by other artists, and in this case he's the lead artist. So yeah, there's all this pressure with his lead singles, and it's a stupid kind of pressure, by the way. I don't subscribe to this mindset. It's a stupid kind of pressure. It's ridiculous that he has to like prove himself as let me have a hit that I'm the lead artist on it. Like, obviously, like, it doesn't matter. He still has a strong presence on many of his hits. But that's regardless of the point. Let's get into this, man. I'm hoping Seyi Vibez is able to work. I can see Bnxn and Kizz Danie working, yeah, because they could stretch themselves. But Seyi Vibez, obviously, we've likened him to a certain style right now, very heavy with the Fuji and Fuji influence, and obviously the Islamic tradition and all the Islamic heritage that he has as well. That he connects to a lot of his stuff. But the abrupt offbeats rapping that he can be able to do, hopefully this is a cleaner version of all of that as opposed to the abrupt chops that you hear from stuff from the memory card. Let's see how he does it, man. Anyway, Gwagwalada is a place in Abuja, correct me if I'm wrong, and I think that's what they're referencing here. Let's hear it, man. Let's hear it. Okay, so I'm a piano thing. Oh, these keys are beautiful, bro. Absolutely stunning. SARS, bro, those keys. Bro, the way Kizz entered was perfect. Perfect. Ah, no. These two. Oh, no. The connection there. I'm feeling it. The way Kizz Danie entered this record, bro. Come on. Oh, God. Wait. Why did this guy break the momentum right now? Seyi Vibez, they stress me, bro. Like, guy, like, we were in heaven, bro. We were cruising. We were having fun, my G. How did SARS even, like, bro, come on, man. Like, yo, Seyi Vibez, bro. We were chilling. We were good. Okay, there's a momentum. We got in the groove. The keys were entering our veins. We were there. We were connected. And then we just got a beat break that just throws the entire, just scatter the party, bro. Like, anyway, bro, let's go. SARS even approved of this now. Why is SARS guy? Seyi Vibez can listen. He has records that I can absolutely fit into this. Like, he has shown that he can be poised, he can be composed on a song. That he doesn't need to do is abrupt beat break, blah 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 blah. Like, he doesn't need to do any of that. He doesn't need to come aggressive. He doesn't need to. This is a song that doesn't need all of that, bro. It doesn't need all of that. SARS going along with this is crazy to me, bro. Like, nah. I don't get it. Cause you're supposed to put the Seyi Vibez of pre-chance. pre-chance Seyi Vibez will work well for this. But I don't like this. I don't like what he's doing here. Let's hope that the beat comes back and then there's a momentum that comes back to the song, man. Because this just frustrating me, man.
I look, can't you see?
Okay. Where are the keys now? Why is this one dry? Where are those keys? Where are those beautiful keys that we saw in the beginning? What's up? SARS is depriving me, bro. Like, SARS, what's happening? You opened with those keys and I was in there with you, and now the second run at the chorus, you're taking it away. I don't understand that. I don't understand that, bro. Was that meant to be an artistic direction there to pull away from the keys that you already opened up with? I don't get it, bro. Okay, the keys are coming back. He changed the keys there. It's the same chords, but he changed the. I guess he changed the keys. I don't understand what SARS is doing with these keys, bro. It's a different. Compare the keys to this one we're hearing now. Compare that to the beginning. They're completely different. I don't know why SARS is doing that. I don't know why SARS is doing that, bro. I roll up my shawarma. I did for Gwagwalada. That was an awkward end, bro. That was kind of weird. Like, it was a dry ending. I was expecting a lot more beats break, you know, like allow the beats breathe a little bit. But I'm confused because the beats we got in the beginning is not the same beats we ended with, bro. It doesn't. It feels weird. Let's listen to the keys. I'm obsessed again with those keys in the beginning. I don't understand how. Listen. Listen to how soft it was now. Look how calm it was, bro. And then that was missing completely again on the second run at the verse, which I'm still. Other than Seyi Vibez, I think that's the second travesty on this song, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know if SARS intended to do all of that. It just ended up looking kind of sloppy to me, not gonna lie. But bro, Kizz Daniel and Bnxn, absolutely amazing on the hook. The back and forth, the synergy there is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Open the song, so exciting, and I was there with them. But bro, those keys that anyway, talked a lot about that. But it's a cool record. The distraction that Seyi Vibez kind of pulls away from, like, the momentum that the song had, I don't think it was great because he ended up feeling like he had like the only solid verse, like he was the only one that got a solid verse out of this, I feel. But I would have loved to hear some more Kizz on it. But at the end of the day, man, it's a great hook. It's a great hook that I would have loved to see that same energy with the production for it. But it's a fantastic hook from Bnxn and Kizz Daniel. Obviously, this is going to turn heads. This is going to get people talking. It's going to get people, because this is a stellar like lineup, bro. If you think about it, Kizz Daniel and Seyi Vibez are like, I would say top 4 right now. Top 4, both of them top. Okay, what am I saying? Top 4. Based on Nigerian data, at least, like, these are 2 of the biggest artists as of now. So, like, this is a huge force for Bnxn, you know, in terms of like pulling those numbers, pulling those Nigeria likable numbers, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be a hell of a ride to see the song go through. I guess the first few months it'll be interesting to observe what the song is able to cook up. But then again, man, I've said what I need to say about the song, man. Bro, just a few tweaks and misses here and there, and this song would have been damn near perfection. Like, bro, damn near perfection, bro.